Picnic with Dada Ji. Sensitivity to disability. Mili and Rini are going for a picnic. Their picnic basket is ready. They are excited. "We will have lot of fun," said Rini. "Yes, Rini, we will play many games," said Mili. Mili asked Dada Ji to get ready. Called Mom. "Why, Dada Ji?" asked Mili and Rini. "He needs a stick to walk. He cannot run around and play," said Rini. "Then we will also not be able to go far. It will not be fun," said Mili. "Don't you think Dada Ji will be sad if we leave him alone at home? How can we be happy if someone is sad because of us?" asked Mom. "Yes, that's true," said Mili and Rini. "He is always happy in fresh air. He also likes to play with us. He seems to know the names of all the plants and trees too. But Rini, why is he so slow? Why is he so weak?" Mili asked. "Mili, he is old. Dad says he is 88 years old," said Rimi. "Yes, dear. When we grow very old, the body becomes weak," said Mom. "We must take care of Dada Ji. It is our duty. He may not have a strong body, but his heart strongly needs our love, care and respect. In fact, we must take care of all elderly people." "You are right, Mom. We must find a midway," nodded the girls. "We can play with ball. Dada Ji will throw and we will catch it. We can run around to get the ball for him. When he is tired, he can rest under the tree. We can then go on the swings," the girls told Mom. Mom hugged the girls and said, "You may learn names of new plants too." Talk about contribution of grandparents. Make them realize the efforts they have put to make their parents capable. Now, it is time to give back the same love and care. Also talk about old age with a perspective to develop sensitivity towards limitations that set in with age. Instill the idea of creating a balance in various aspects of life. Help in developing an attitude for creating a win situation.